Talk to us about your big takeaways from the market in 2022. And Bob, maybe you could kick us off.
Sure. Okay. The first word that comes to mind is wow. I mean, what a year it was in so many ways, mostly on the negative side. Whether you do these 10 silly predictions every year, and we actually did say stocks and bonds would both be down in 2022, but never thought it would be by the magnitude. It's the first time in 50 years that stocks and bonds were both down 3 quarters in a row.
Wow.
I think that's a superlative. I'm also struck by the amount by which value outperformed growth, and the environment that transpired. You would expect that, but the magnitude was amazing. The final thing I would say off the top of my head is how well international stocks did versus U.S. stocks. All those problems internationally, and of course, international markets, most of them went down, but they went down less than the U.S.
Yeah, I don't want to trump you, Bob, but I have seen that we saw stocks and bonds both down more than 10% for the first time since the 70s, the 1870s. I don't know what bonds we were trading in the 1870s, but something was being traded. So it's been a long, long time. The thing that struck me about last year, though, was how ill-prepared we all were for what occurred. If you go back and look at what the market expected for Fed rate hikes in December of 2021, I think we thought the Fed was going to raise 25 basis points 2 or 3 times. We ended up going up 450 basis points. Nobody is prepared for that. Nobody was prepared for 9% inflation, and that caught everyone off guard. And I think what it taught us is that we can't get too confident in our expectations and our predictions. We have to be willing to pivot and to humble ourselves and say, I was wrong, because things often turn out differently than we expect.
Well said.